Law and You, we have a complicated question involving a will. Joining us as always are attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ceramboli. Gentlemen, thanks so much for being here today.
Couldn't wait to get here today.
All right, we have a question to answer, and it's time to get to it from Bailey in Laughlin. My mom recently passed away, and her will left everything to her much younger boyfriend. She had some dementia toward the end, and we think the boyfriend coerced her to change the will. So, can Bailey do anything if the boyfriend really did coerce the will to be changed?
Bailey, you can. Now, being able to do something and then being able to win are two different stories. This is a very complicated case. It's very litigation intensive. You're going to have to prove a number of things. You're going to have to prove that your mom was suffering from dementia to such a point that she was not competent to make a decision. And one of the things that's going to go into that is, if she was making decisions in other areas of her life, and was doing those, and was able to do those, this is going to be a tough road, for you to go down. The other thing is that you're going to have to show that there was some type of coercion by her, by her boyfriend. These are very, very, very nasty litigation because, I mean, it pits family against family, and they're tough. But you absolutely, positively need to go to an attorney who has handled these types of cases and knows what they're doing, because it is going to be a brawl.
Yeah, and I think, listening to the facts, it's going to be a difficult road for you to go down, because a couple things are going to be in place. You're going to have to see, did your mom sit down with an attorney to draft that will? That attorney would then be a witness, because he would have to make some decisions whether or not she's competent to make those decisions at the time of execution of the will. So that's factor number one. Then you're going to have to show up with medical experts to talk about her state of mind at the time of execution of the will. It's going to be very costly. It's going to be very intensive on the litigation side. So, you're really going to have to get a lawyer who knows what they're doing.
All right, we talked about the importance about prepping a will on the show many of times. So our viewers who may be in that position and need your help, how can they reach you guys?
They can call us at 570-714-HURT, or they can see us on the web at 714hurt.com.
Or go to our Facebook page. And if you like us on our Facebook page, post a question. We'll do our best to answer it on an upcoming segment. And if you have any will questions, put them on our Facebook page. We'll do our best to answer them on upcoming segments, because it does affect everybody.
Of course, results matter with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ceramboli. Thanks so much. PAHomepage.com or the hotline, your source to get your question on the law and you.